A function just means it's predictable. That is, when I have a value, when I find that answer, there's only one answer. So if I look at this, 1 goes to 6, 2 goes to 8, 3 goes to 8, 4 goes to 9. So this is a function because everything in my domain is different. And each member of the domain only has one answer. If I look at a graph, if I draw a vertical line through it, and that vertical line only touches your graph once, then it's a function. If it touches it twice, it wouldn't be predictable, so then it wouldn't be a function. So on this one, no matter where I draw my vertical line, let me notice it only will cross my function once no matter where I draw it. So that would be a function. Now let's take a look at an application on example 7. It says, the input value x is the height of students in inches. And the output value of y is the number of books that the student owns. So now the question is, can you have a student who has the same height to have own different books? And I would say yes, because I could have a student who's, both of them are like 5 feet tall, so they're both 60 inches tall. And one person owns 7 books and one person owns 8 books. So I would say no, this is not a function because it's not predictable. So the same height could have different values for owning books. Could have different number of books, we'll say. Take a look at a table on example 8. So if I look at this table, 1 goes to -1 and 1 goes to 1. Oh, it's not predictable, is it? So this is not a function. So it's not a function. Because it's not predictable. 1 has 2 answers. Now, if I look at the graph on example 9, if I draw a vertical line, no matter where I draw my vertical line, it's only going to touch my graph once, isn't it? So this one is a function. I'm going to change pen colors here. So yes, it is. Why? It's predictable. You only have one answer for each input. Only one output for each input.